Bring me, next item guys. Bring me a wallet. I need a wallet. Wallet na wala ko nun. Empty wallet. I need an empty wallet. Empty hit na 100%. Wala? 5, 4, 3. Empty wallet. I need an empty wallet. Okay. Put your price inside the wallet. Ayan. Okay. Kasi hindi mo na siya. Iuli. Mahal pa na. Okay, next. Here we go. Bring me. Most of us gagamit ni guys. Bring me a cell phone. I need a cell phone. Come on. I need a cell phone. Cell phone charger. I need a cell phone charger. Cell phone charger. I need a cell phone charger. Charger. Cell phone charger. 5, 4, 3, 2. Sige. Okay, next. Ari. Kabalo ko mga parents na ito may ari ni guys. Bring me. Here we go. Bring me your mom. Mom's lipstick. I need your mom's lipstick. 5, 4. Lipstick ka na impasa na ha. I need your mom's lipstick. Ayan. 5, 4, 3. Ayan. Sige, lip tint na nga yan. Okay, your price lang ka. Grabe sa mga mamis, galing tint na. Ako yan sa elementarya, ilani, yung mga MSA pa na pala. Tapos 2 weeks to pay. Okay, next, here we go. Bring me. I just need one winner, guys, for the last prize. Bring me a one tumbler. I need a tumbler. 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay. Sige lang ang Okay. Sige. Okay. Sige. May tumbler ka mo? May tumbler ka mo? May tumbler? Wala na tang prize. Wala na prize. Sorry. Bawing na lang sa next year ha, sa next birthday ni Ben. Okay. Mami, hindi may next part na ito or what? Kapitan pinyata, anything. Okay, sige. So I think that's all for Ben's birthday party. So once again guys, or I forgot to introduce my name. I'm Jim De Dios. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of the day. Bye-bye!